Omuhwezi wa RDC ahabwambara district David Ajuka ebya bigambira hamukorogwaho naho ogwetabirwe mu police n'abebembezi aharubwezi bwera police station barukwakira motoka ya police ensya e government herize mbara district
echo motoka ansyeje yabahebwa ninjo kwasa officially utanduko gikorese DPC ababona bari kunywa amarwa kora report cyabasika tubasindike bagenda amarwa zaganywero kwe kunkatana muri imbara twiza kwiceza abapolisi babasinze ino nje kushanga hariya hirwaro aribonasha babarwire sente abasinze DPC nguzo ngogo muntu umukore tinkumanya aho ukore chikoze. Very good, thank you.
Abebembezi bambara district nabo bashabire polisi okwatanisa n'abantu baburijo
muteko kuranga mwakoragana nitwe namwe nenda kubima DPC aho izire na OC. You have really done a very good job okoragana je nabebembezi ubu urumu tubukaburamu konka numuteko kuranga mwayigo kumurakore nabo
tena ndishimanya ngo entambara n'ikintu kikuru kandi hati ko kikuba kikuru twende ntambure yo kurakuka weneza motoka ziba kuhereza zonzera kukahumbwira
motoka ensye chika cha Hilux double cabin Revolution new model niye hirwe polisi
benyine motoka emwe eri kukavaringa constituencies ibiri omwe urushangana bantera ushanga motoka eri bubare mucensha mahaba y'obuzubu so kindire inganyo okurespondinga to emergencies
ebyo bikiryaha bibyo kwerinda omurembo rwa Hoima bakwasira abantu batano abarumwa abakozi b'ekitongore ekiro kujonanizibwa no kubika embazi ekya National Medical Stores n'abakozi b'irwariro rya Hoima hango abari kutekatekwaho okwiba embazi ya gavumenti. Abakozi ba National Medical Stores abakwasirwe harimo Bosco Aguerini, Moses Chiza na Driver Habas Chizto kandi abakozi abirwariro rya Hoima hango abakomerwe barumusiza Enegu na Ayo Justin bona barukujunanwa nabakora n'ibiciro ry'embazi erya Hoima aba bakwasirwe barukugezaho kwiba mbazi oguru kuhebwa barwire abarukutunga obhorizi obuhingurine na kansa
ekiro kyayijo National Medical Stores erizege emibazi mu Rwaro kandi verification kyageno maiso erole ya National Medical Stores yayibaho emuhamibaze bayigeresebe kandi erole giye kwatirwa hagate itaina bihandiko bikubayikiza kuturukiye omubazi so twagamba kabanze kora verification of what was brought ekiro kyalero obutumazire kora verification twakizoranti omubazi kubageni baturukiya kubayirige kumuhamibazi kibageneretwa omulwaro ya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital.
Ekyabadde weggulu kiri nti emotoka ereta amadagala ga government ya NMS yazze nereta amadagala ne bwemala okureportinga nti amadagala ega deliverings emotoka yemu ate nefuluma negezaako okufuluma ne agamu ku madagala kati abapolisi ba UPDF ne abasirikale ba UPDF ne bagikebera nga tenafuluma kwekuzula nti mulimu amadagala ge bayita morphine gano madagala gali highly controlled ge bayita narcotics highly controlled nti ne bwogenda ku pharmacy tebasobola dikuwa ate madagala ga bay
Mugabi yagira ngo batwirene batungo kwetombweta kwembazi ya government neburo mwirwarro nuko kutahebe kweto byabe byo kwerinda batari bamwe na bamwe omwirwarreri batyo bakabakwata
driver twakwata nababayirige mu store nabageni ba deliveringa nabo ababayirige mu katero kyonka police niyo ijja kuzonzora hanyuma tugambire bo habenyini abayine ensonga zo kubandi bagarukamu
ne katwade bagezako dikukusa difulumya. Yeah, so waliwo measures nti UPDF emaze kati mudwaire emyezi obago mu 2-3 naye ekozo omulimo gw'amaanyi mukwata abagezaako kukusa amadagala.
Bitukanda omugambirizi w'ekitongole kya National Medical Stores Shirand Hochere ebyo kwiba embazi yabihakanisa.
First of all, we would like to clarify reports that have been circulating regarding an NMS vehicle that was impounded in Hoima City. And the claim is that they found a box on one of our trucks after they delivered. But we would like to state that preliminary findings from NMS indicate that the box in question was part of the day's distribution consignment and was an excess that had to be brought back to NMS. And anybody that has done distribution understands that such occurrences are normal
ebokisi bw'emibazi ebyiberwe bibiri birimo obucupa 25 gasha kwa Evans Taremwa na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.